Farmer's walk is an excellent exercise for scoliosis, core strengthening, posture, and balance. You will need a set of dumbbells of 5 to 15 pounds. If you don't have weights, you can use bags and put some items in your bags and use them as weights. Now we are ready to start and grab a weight, and let's begin to walk slowly forward and in the backward directions while maintaining a good upright posture and balance. So be sure to walk very slowly, because this is going to show you your compensation patterns and you want to improve that. And when you come onto one foot, be sure to maintain an upright posture. And so this is going to ensure that you are engaging a proper core muscles and the postural muscles. So this is going to self-organize and self-correct your posture and the balance, which is nice. And then as a variation, you can use only one weight. Then I will work on each side. This is especially wonderful for anybody with scoliosis. Then an asymmetrical weight is going to exaggerate your curvature. And then for you to maintain upright posture and find the balance, it's going to reorganize the patterns around your posture and the balance. So as far as where you start with the weights, I would start with lighter weights. Make sure that you can maintain balance in an upright posture, and then you can move on to a heavier weights. With the time, I would recommend you starting at about 30 seconds, going forward and backwards directions, and progress incrementally, maybe by 10 to 15 seconds, and do 2 to 3 sets. So the way that you can progress is either by adding increase in the weights or increase in the time, or you can do both. But most importantly, you have to be able to maintain quality of the movements. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, and please hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video.